Good day, Grade 3 scientists! Welcome to our lesson for Science 3, Quarter 1, Week 6, Day 1. Our topic for today is materials and their uses and waste classification. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to describe waste material as to whether they can be disposed, reused, and recycled. Activating prior knowledge. What will happen if the following materials are thrown away? Number 1, a banana peel. Number 2, an empty plastic bottle. Number 3, a paper towel. Number 4, a metal can. And number 5, a used cartons. Here are the expected answers. A banana peel gets rotten. An empty plastic bottle stays the same. A paper towel can be torn, crumpled, and wet. A metal can stays the same but becomes rusty after a long time. A juice carton stays the same. For lesson purpose and intention, answer the following question. What happens when we throw trash anywhere? The expected answer, dirty surroundings. Where do you think all this trash goes when it rains? Expected answer, it goes to the drains, canals, and rivers. What do you think happens to the drains and canals when they get filled with trash? Expected answers, water can't pass through. What might happen to the homes and buildings when the rainwater has nowhere to go? The expected answer, they get flooded. What can we do to make sure our drains and rivers stay clean and clear? Expected answers, by properly disposing of trash or waste and recycling. Lesson language practice. Today, we will talk about different kinds of waste and what we can do with them. First, let's talk about rotten food. When food is old and smells bad, it is called rotten. In Filipino, we say nabubulok. Rotten food is not safe to eat. We must throw it away. Put it in a trash bin that says, can be disposed of. Next is reusing. This means using something again. For example, an empty jar can be used again to keep sugar. If you use something again for the same purpose, that is called reusing. These go in the can reuse bin. Last is recycling. This means making something new from old things. For example, a plastic bottle can be used to make a flower pot or a Christmas decoration. If we use something for a new purpose, that is called recycling. These go in the can be recycled bin. Let's remember, rotten food, throw away. Old things we can use again, reuse. Old things we can turn into something new, recycle. By doing this, we help keep our environment clean. Reading the key ideas then. Let's have the activity. For activity 1, Can you place different ways into group based on their observable characteristics? Here are the materials: meat leftovers, banana peelings, twigs, weeds, juice carton, plastic bottles, glass bottles, cartons, papers, and piece of cloth. This will be done within 15 minutes. For the instruction, number 1, describe each waste and what will happen to this waste when thrown away. Number 2, copy the table in your notebook and write your answer. The third one is sort the items into can be disposed, can be reused, and can be recycled categories. Developing understanding of the key ideas STEM. Let's process. What are the ways that can be disposed of? Very good. Leftover food such as fruits and vegetables. Number 2. How will you describe waste that can be disposed of? That's right. These are waste or trash that should be thrown away. Waste that rot. Number 3. What do you think will happen to the trash that was put in the can be disposed of column? The answer is, it will rot and put in soil to help plants grow. Number 4. What are the waste that can be reused? These are glass, bottles, and empty jars. How do you describe waste that can be reused? That's right. These are things we can use again instead of throwing them away. Number 6. What do you think will happen to the trash that was put in the can be reused column? It will be cleaned and will be used again. For number 7, what are the wastes that can be recycled? Great! They are paper, plastic bottles, and aluminum cans. For number 8, what do you think will happen to the trash that was put in the can be recycled column? It will be cleaned and will be made into new things like plastic bottles to pen holders. Deepening understanding of the key ideas STEM. Listen carefully as I read the selection aloud. Follow along with your eyes and read quietly to yourself. Andy the rotten apple. Andy the apple lived in a fruit bowl with his friends, the bananas and oranges. One day, Andy noticed he was starting to rot. He remembered what his friend, the wise old gardener, had said. Rotten fruits can help the garden grow. Determined to be useful, Andy rolled off the counter and headed toward the can be disposed bin. Just then, little Timmy walked into the kitchen and saw Andy miss the bin. Little Timmy then put Andy in the can-be-disposed bin. "There you go, Andy," Timmy said. "You're going to help our garden grow." Timmy picked up Andy and placed him in the can-be-disposed bin, where Andy joined other food scraps. Together, they turned into rich soil that helped Timmy's garden bloom beautifully. From that day on, Timmy always remembered food scraps in the can-be-disposed bin. Thanks to Andy and his new friends, the garden was full of beautiful flowers and tasty vegetables, keeping the earth clean and green. Then answer the following questions. Making generalization and abstraction. Complete the table. For evaluation, list 3 items you see at home and describe them. Then classify each item of waste that can be disposed of, can be reused, or can be recycled. For remediation, homework. Number 1. Look around your home for materials that can be reused or recycled. Number 2. Choose at least 2 items to bring. Number 3. Make sure the items are clean and safe to bring to school. Number 4. For safety reasons, please avoid bringing cans. And number 5. Bring them to school for the activity tomorrow. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!